I'll be teaching you the basic concept of management accounting. This is a special type of accounting. You can sit comfortably also, no problem. This is a special type of accounting. You are very much acquainted with the word accounting. You know bookkeeping, you know accounting, you know accountancy, it's okay. But today the topic is management accounting. So I will talk about how management accounting has come, when it was developed, and exactly what is it, all these things, and what is the purpose of this account. All these things I'll be covering a very short video. And first of you look at accounting, all of you know what is accounting. There is no doubt about it. You have learnt in last several years what is accounting. There are three branches of accounting. The three branches of accounting. Remember, see, one is financial accounting, one is cost accounting, one is management accounting. Now, what is financial accounting? Financial accounting is that accounting which records all past data. Whatever accounting you have already done in HS first year, second year, in BCom, maybe corporate accounting also. These are all financial accounting actually. I think you have done corporate accounting somewhere. It's financial accounting actually. Why? Because these records all past data. Remember in HS first year you studied Ram started business, Sham sold goods, Hori purchased, something like that. All past tense. The question of tense, past tense. All past tense, which have already happened in past. This has become history. This is all past. Past. Or you can say history. History is always past. So whatever has happened in past, these accounts, these transactions are recorded in financial accounting. Whatever already happened in past, like ABC company was registered, 20,000 shares were issued, 5,000 shares were subscribed, 200 shares were forfeited, 100 shares were reissued, all past tense. All coming under financial accounting, remember, broadly. Right? Post accounting, so this is what past, remember. Post accounting, you'll find your past also, you'll find your future also. Something, because in post accounting, you have done post accounting, everybody? Yes. You remember, you have done cost sheet. It may be based on past data. It may also be future that you estimate cost. So that's why I said past and future both are here. Past and future both are here. How? You record all past data sometimes, but related to cost. Cost computation, cost control, then cost, whatever, regarding cost. So some data may come from past data, and you can look for future also, that is estimate also, that is future estimate. This is cost accounting, done. Now, these two accounting, you have already understood, you have already learned. You know, in my BCom, when I studied these things, and in my BCom, when I was doing BCom, studying these things, I was thinking about these things, the three types of account, and I composed a poem on this thing. Will you listen to that? Will you listen to that? I composed a poem. So, management account, financial account is clear? Cost account is clear? These two are clear. This is different. Now, I am writing the point here. This is here writing two accounts, right? What is? Financial and cost. I am writing a poem. With the results, sorry, R-U-S-U-L-T-S, results of these two. With the result of these two. Two means what? Two means FA and CA, correct? With the result of these two, you understand? But I am not going to detail of financial account. I have told you it's past and cost accounting, you know you have done it. So these two accounts take now basis. And there is some result, financial accounting goes to result and cost accounting is result. With the result of these two, what the management accountants do. What was it? With the result of this do, what the management accountants do Clear point? What a management accountant do is management accounting. Is management accounting. This is my point. I am sharing with you. This is my point. This is my point. I am continuing my lecture with this only. With the result of this two, what the management accountants do is management accounting. It's not a joke, it's a fact. After learning all different types of accounting, I composed it. And this is what happens. Management accounting is not a different type of accounting. From this point you can understand. From this point you can understand management accounting is not a different type of accounting. That financial accounting, debit, credit, journal, ledger, balance sheet, is a one type of accounting. That cost accounting is cost sheet and cost computation, and many ledgers are also there. Is one thing. But this is not a special type of accounting. Like if you do debit credit in cost accounting, this is also like this debit credit. Same thing. And accordingly, this is not a special type of accounting. The same accounting, but how is it different? Same accounting presented in a special manner, presented in a manner spelling M-A double in here, okay? Special manner, so that I write here, management accountants or management can take day to day or any decisions. DCISIONS. Not necessarily day to day, it may be any decision. So management accounting is not a special type of accounting, it's the same type of accounting of these two, which are only presented in a special manner. Presented, what is very, very important, presented in a special manner. Why presented in a special manner? Same balance sheet. Why? So that special manner, so that management of a business can take day to day or any they can take decisions. So you understood that management accounting is nothing but the same sort of accounting, which is financial accounting and cost accounting, but then it is presented in a different way. Just presented in a different way. Same thing. Okay? No different type of debit and credit and other things. Just the same accounting presented in a different way. Why presented in a different way? The reason is that looking at that presentation, management can take decision. Like I am showing one example to just to inspire you. Suppose balance sheet of 10 years assets are there, or sales of 10 years are there. So you put sales in a bar diagram. Is it presented differently? You take balance sheets, different assets, and put in a different way. Make a budget. How will be future? But whatever it is, it is totally always future. Futuristic attitude. They are future, totally future. This management accounting is totally, because the moment you say decision cannot be taken for past. Very simple. Every word I am using here has meaning. Every word is having meaning. I am not writing just like that. So remember that formula I have written it. Nowhere is written, not find it. Just I am meaning. With the result of this two, whatever management accountants do is management accounting. So from that, the total book will be coming to you. Whatever is done in financial accounting, whatever is done in cost accounting, all these things are used by the management. Management people may not have ideas of accounting. They may not have ideas of cost accounting. But when management is presented this accounting in a special, easy manner, they can take decision. That is the thing. Presented in a different manner. Why present in a different manner? So that they can take decisions. And decision is always future. There is no doubt about it. This is always past. This is maybe past and maybe future also, but this is always future. Always future. So management accounting is accounting which is same type of accounting as in financial and cost accounting, but it presented in a different way. So this presentation is a different way, itself becomes management accounting. Why presented different way? So that management take decision easily, and decision is future. But option one, certain. Option 2, uncertain. Now you tell me, future is certain or future is uncertain? Tell me. Number 1, future is uncertain, right? Future is certain. Who told you? Your parents, your teachers, your friends, your experience. Future is uncertain. Today, for the first time, you learn something. I am not joking. I have not come to the class for joking. Future is uncertain, is wrong. I'll prove it. And this is right. Future is absolutely certain. This is right. Future is absolutely certain. You are thinking still joking, sorry, joking. Future is absolutely certain. Proof lage. Today is what day? 100% sure tomorrow is Sunday. Certain. Today is 2024. 100% sure 25 is coming. Today is 2020. Today is August. 100% sure September is coming. Today is 2024. 100% sure 2047 is coming. Viksit Bharat is coming. 100% sure. Challenge me. Future is absolutely certain. Future, give it is social media. Challenging. Future is absolutely certain to happen. Usually absolutely certain to happen. But what will happen? What will happen in future is uncertain. What will happen in future is uncertain. Again, Kuneko said, only sticking to the book is not enough. Take something new. And I am talking to something new. If you do not follow, if you do not understand, if you do not agree, talk to me. Keep listening. Future is absolutely certain to happen. But what will happen in future, that is uncertain. Tomorrow Sunday will be coming, I don't know it will be raining or not. 2025 is coming, I don't know what will happen in that year. 2030 is coming, I do not know what will be the position of economy of the country. 2035 is coming, I do not know what will be your job position, income, I don't know that. Future is absolutely certain to happen. Future is absolutely certain to happen, but what will happen in future? That is uncertain. What will happen in future? That is uncertain. I write it there. That is uncertain. I am making a more clear. That is uncertain. Accepted? It is very much inspiring. The moment you think like this, you feel like walking home. It's a motivated lecture. It's a lecture of motivation, actually, apart from management, account or accounting. But it's connected with my subject, so I put it here. Absolutely certain. And management accounting deals with future. See, one more point, why future is absolutely certain, let me prove it. Had future been uncertain, अगर future uncertain होता, there would have been no problem at all. कुछ भी problem नहीं होता. 2025 नहीं भी आ सकता है, तो ठीक है, चलो कुछ मत करो, don't do anything. 2020, 2030 may not come. Very good. You keep on sleeping, it will not come, may not come. But you are active and because sensitized, because 2030 is coming, because 2025 is coming, because tomorrow Sunday is coming. So since future is certain to happen, we dream for future, work for future, think for future, plan for future, do everything for future. Why? So the future comes to our favor. Correct? Since future is kuntu kotha illogical question or something new type of topic. New type of topic, right? But what is illogical, tell me? Very much logical. This way you will not find the book written. So future is absolutely certain to happen. Since future is certain, we think for future. Good question. Even an illiterate person thinks for future. Everybody thinks for future. And people call it future is uncertain. They confuse. All the world at large is confusing you. Everybody is confusing you all over the world. The future is uncertain. Meaningless. And you can both choice future is absolutely certain to happen. So we think for future, dream for future, work for future, plan for future, do everything for future, so the future comes to our favor. Everybody wants it. And same thing in business also. Same thing in business also. And business is not outside the circle of human life, human society. Business is within that. And so, since future is 100% sure to happen, this account has come. This account, management accounting, no? This accounting has come, management accounting. Only because of this concept which I have shared with you. Clear? Cut. Here I will be talking about the origin of management accounting. If you say origin of financial accounting, then that is, even 3,500 years back also, accounting was there. Accounting was there in China, India, these areas, China, Asian countries, like Chanakya's Arthashastra in India, there was a sense of accounting, etc. Thousands and thousands years back. But double entry came in 1494 by Luca Paciello. His picture is somewhere in the college there. So 1494, double entry, concept of double entry came in Italy. That is all financial accounting. And cost accounting when started, I don't know, but I feel it is also since beginning only, because people become cost conscious. Save something, don't spend, don't waste. This is cost accounting. I'm not talking about cost accounting or financial accounting. Now I'll be talking about the origin of management accounting. Okay? Once again, regarding management accounting, it is an accounting which targets the future. Future is absolutely certain to happen. Since future is certain to happen, but what will happen in future we do not know. For this reason, we plan for future. If you knew what will happen in future, then also no planning necessary. If you know future certain, what will happen certain, then nothing to be done. Nothing to be worried. If you know future is uncertain, nothing to be done. If you know future is certain, but what will happen is uncertain, then work for future, do for future, work anything for future. So management accounting is, please remember 2-3 dialogues about this subject. Then maybe what is management accounting? You can use these sentences. Management accounting is just like a torch light. Management accounting is just like, torch light in the darkness of future. Management accounting is just like a torch light in the darkness of future. Darkness of future, management accounting torch light gives light. You go by management accounting, your eyes will be open. Next day I'll be doing it. Please take one more class with me. If routine doesn't permit, then also you call me. This is essential, one more class. So management accounting teaches us what to, please listen, this is very much personal motivation, but it is, you can write in management accounting. It is important for personal motivation and it is important for exam, same to same. So because if I give only a part 4 subject, I should not do that. It's a class. So what I am motivating you, inspiring, all these things you can write in the accounting. But you feel at heart that this is what you should do. What management accounting helps us to think before we do. It teaches us to think before you do. Management accounting teaches us to before you or we, whatever say, before you also, no problem. Look before you leap. Management accounting teaches us, look before you leap. Leap, jump माना है, तो उससे पहले देखो. Very spelling. Jump माना है तो this means something decision. You take some decision before that you think. You think, you see, taking proper decision or not. Even the same thing Lord Krishna advised Arjuna. You think properly and take decision that. And keep your mind steady. This was the advice by Lord Krishna to Arjuna. And this is guidance for all of us, even now in management accounting. You look before you leap. You think before you do. Think. For think you need mind. And mind if settled, disturbed, shattered, you cannot take good decision. So cool mind. So think before you do. Connected to Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita. This is connected to Bhagavad Gita. Everything connected. Since everything coming from that level is from that level. Nothing is outside this spiritualism. Now, management accounting. I'll tell you something here. Please keep on recording. Very, very important. Which country have written? Which country have written? USA. The moment I go to the root of management accounting, I have to talk about United States of America. In USA, 1950, 3 years after our independence, in 1950, in USA, there was a conference. Okay? Conference, you know, seminar. People come, lecture, they discuss, seminar, you know, conference. So there was a conference listen to the story, in USA in 1950. And there were two groups of people. Were there. This group said, मेरा important ज़्यादा है. I am ज़्यादा important. Management. And another group of people were from accounting. These two groups of people were in the debate. Management people, they say, we are the main person, we take decision. Without decision, how can the business earn money? And they are saying, we are the person record all transactions. If you do not make balance sheet, how can the business run? He is saying, you make your balance sheet, we can take decision without balance sheet. And he is saying, okay, you take decision without balance sheet, it will be all wrong decisions. They had a debate, both the groups. Like in Guwahati Commerce College, one is accountancy department, another is management department, like that. Two departments. Debate. Ultimately, it was suggested at the end, someone who thinks properly, he said, the chairperson said, after listening to both the parties, I have come to the conclusion that both accounting and management are equally important. Because at that time I am talking about 1950. Before that, this was not there. Clear? So this was there separately. Two lines of the railway. So the person discussed, the conclusion was that management without accounting is blind. Accounting without management is useless. Oh no. You have accounting, but nobody uses it. Because making a balance sheet and keeping here for exam purpose, no problem. But the thing of the business, the company, when they make the accounts and accounts are not used by anybody else. Useless. And or think of the management. Management is taking management decision without keeping accounts before that. So it will not be think before you do. It will not be look before you leap. It will be wrong decision. So from that day, a new subject come. दोनों को मिला के एक subject बनाओ. That subject is management accounting, which is a new subject. That day it was developed in 1950 in United States of America. The first, it was born a new subject, management accounting. Otherwise, management was there, accounting was there. Accounting people used to make accounts and leave it. Management people used to take decisions, and without accounting, and all wrong decisions were there. But the sad part is that even today, in certain, actually government companies, I'll say, not private companies, they are very conscious. By many government organizations, government companies, it has been seen, the public sector undertakings, people take decision without making account for 10 years. This is the worst part. This is criticism. When people are not, they don't understand this thing. So in a big company, small company, whatever, take the decision to put account in full. And the person who take the decision, the management, in the case of company, it is board of directors. And board of directors, there are a lot of directors are there. They may not have full idea of accounting or may have idea, but simply looking at the balance sheet, you cannot make the decision. You present the balance sheet figures in a special manner so that look it and take decision. You see, if I give you 20 years sale to you, you don't understand, all sale figures are given, you don't understand it. But you put this sale in a trend way, in a line diagram or bar diagram or some other analysis if I do, then take decision. So management accounting is the presentation of the original system accounting or financial cost accounting in a special manner so that management can take decisions properly. Okay? So watch the video and also subscribe because I'll be sharing these types of motivational means with your subject, which you can watch later on even if I don't come to your class. I'll be sharing if you sometimes just send a message, sir, I need this types of clarification. You're most welcome. You can do it. Okay, bye bye.